We're here at the Riverstone Inn and Suites, Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. This is a brand new Schindler 330A. Not like brand new, but new. Nice hotel. Yeah, this is like a new 330A from like 2024. Nice gal. This thing is probably at least a year old. Kind of crazy. I thought this place would get $3,300. Oh, nope. A new 330A. I like the star thing now. That's pretty cool. Let's get inside. It's actually a pretty nice one. This is a place to work for 330A. There goes the elevator. Nice hotel. I guess that is gonna be it for me.